Hey guys, today let's learn how to fix broadcast channels not showing on Instagram. So in the case that you cannot see your broadcast channels over on your Instagram application, in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to fix this issue step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is I'm going to show you guys where to locate your broadcast channels are on Instagram. So launch your Instagram applications and your broadcast channels should be located over onto your DMs section. So tap on your DMs section and tap over here on your channels, and you should see your broadcast channels over here. Now, if you have any broadcast channels or have joined any broadcast channels, let's say for example this one right here, it will show up on this channel or this tab when you tap on join over here. Now guys, if in the case that you cannot see where your broadcast channels are, you gotta double check your internet connection with your Wi-Fi. This could be a contributing factor as to why you are experiencing this issue. So double check your Wi-Fi connection, and if you do have some issues with your Wi-Fi, I would advise you guys to go ahead and try your cell data instead of your Wi-Fi and see which one between the two is going to work better. Now the last thing we could also do to solve this issue is to double check if we have the latest version of Instagram. So go ahead and launch your app stores, and I want you to search for the Instagram application and make sure guys that you have the latest version of Instagram installed on your device. So I'll go ahead over here and tap on Instagram, and if you do have an update available like this one right here, I would advise you guys to tap on update and update your applications to the latest version so that of course bugs like this would be fixed and you were going to have the best user experience possible. Now that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.